Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So let me go through what I've been cleaning so far. Now I finished doing the brass. So here you can see the zipper now is shiny again. This was all filthy dirty before, and I went through and cleaned it with the barkeeper's friend that I showed in a previous video. If you want to see how I did that, go to a previous video I just did about barkeeper's friend and cleaning the brass hardware on your Louis Vuitton. So here you can see everything is shiny again. All the zipper pulls are shiny, and the zipper is shiny, and the rivets are shiny. So all that is clean. So now I'm cleaning the Vachetta leather. And I just went through and saddle soaped this whole section here. But before I talk about that, I'm going to show you, I just cleaned the handles. The top one is the cleaned version. You see how it looks so much cleaner here? What I did was I took one of those Mr. Clean magic erasers, and I wet it and wrung out the water, and I wiped through the entire handle. And now I'm going to go and wipe through the dirty one. This is the dirty handle. So you just go in here and you spot clean it, and you wipe through this entire handle. You go in and give it a little bit of elbow grease, but don't rub too hard, just enough to get, you see how the magic eraser takes off the dirt? So go in there and wipe it clean, and don't worry if it starts to look darker than the Vachetta color. It's just because it's wet. It'll dry back to the normal light honey color. And it looks a little not shiny right now, but don't worry about that. We're gonna go and clean that off with the saddle soap, and it'll bring the leather back to life. So that's the next step. Taking your Mr. Clean eraser, magic eraser, wet it, and just go through and clean that off. And I will show you the next step after I finish with these handles.